Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Street Fighter 6 on mobile. Download the official app or use a trusted cloud gaming service, connect a Bluetooth or USB controller, and enable controller mapping. Next, customize touch zones and sensitivity to match your comfort. Finally, run training mode to test combos and inputs, tweak settings between rounds, and save a control profile for quick access on future sessions. Set up controls for both touch and controllers to create a consistent input flow. Prioritize mapping light, medium, and heavy attacks to buttons you can reach quickly, and assign a macro for frequently used combos. Enable buffering and negative edge features if available to smooth special move inputs. Regularly test these settings in training mode until your muscle memory aligns with the mobile layout for reliable performance. Focus practice on small, repeatable goals like landing a single combo 3 times in a row. Use training tools, frame data overlays, and recorded matches to pinpoint timing issues and improve recovery choices. Mix short casual matches with focused drills to build adaptation to latency and mobile input quirks. Keep sessions brief and deliberate, then review mistakes to turn weak spots into reliable options during real matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.